Friends, we have been working on some letter sounds. Let's go ahead and practice them together. I want you to say them with me. This is the letter M. Say M. The name of the letter is M. The sound is mm. Look at my lips. Mm, like a mouse. Say mouse. Let's do the whole thing. Ready? M, mouse, mm, 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 mm. M, mouse, mm, 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 mm. And you can put your hands next to your face like a little mouse. M, mouse, mm, 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 mm. The next letter is N. It sounds close to M, but it is a different letter with a different sound. The name of the letter is N. N makes the sound N. Look at my lips. N. See how it's different than M? N. My lips are open. N, nest, N. I make a nest. N, N, N. Again. N, nest, N. N, N, N. This letter here is O. O makes two sounds, but right now we're just working on the first one, the octopus sound, the short sound. Say it with me. O, ah, ah, octopus. Get out your octopus hands, ready? O, octopus, ah, 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 ah. Again. O, octopus, ah, 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 ah. O, octopus, ah, 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 ah. And then this last one we've been learning is P. The name of the letter is P. Look at my lips. P. P makes the sound p, p, like a pig. Say it with me. You can put on your pig nose. P, pig, p, 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 p. P, pig, p, 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 p. Awesome job. Now it's your turn. Make a video where you say the names and the sounds of all the letters. You should do it exactly how we practiced, where you say the name of the letter first, then the word, and then the sound, like P, pig,